Dear students, welcome to the 27th session, which is on the Pickwick Papers by Charles Dickens, prescribed by the Mangalore University for 3rd semester BA Optional English, Paper 3, Victorian Literature. This is Vasanta Ravi Prakash, Associate Professor, Purnapradna College, Udupi. This video highlights chapters 37 to 40. We have seen that Sam is summoned by his father the day before Pickwick and Mrs. Bardell meet at a coach. Sam posts a valentine to Mary. The trial begins. The trial is not favourable to Mr. Pickwick. A penalty of £700 was imposed on Mr. Pickwick. Mr. Pickwick is not ready to pay the penalty. Pickwick decides to visit the city of Bath as it would take 2 months' time to imprison him. Mr. Pickwick rents a house for himself and his friends, and he invites Mrs. Dowler and Mr. Dowler to stay with them. Chapter 37 speaks about Sam's experience in a servant's party. John Smoker, the servant of Mr. Bantam, invites Sam to the servants' party, which is exclusively for servants. John warns Sam not to expect to be treated equally by the lofty servants who attend the party. There is mutton and plenty to drink in the party. Some servants have the air of superiority as they have adopted the lofty manners of their masters. Some servants feel very low. One of them claims that he became a servant because women find it hard to resist man in uniform. Sam remains comfortable because he has maintained his democratic belief in his own intrinsic worth. He knows to manage any extreme conditions. Dickens presents Sam as a role model, and Sam is of unique nature, even though he belongs to servants' class. Next we see the disappearance of Mr. Winkle, and Pickwick is upset about it. Pickwick instructs Sam to knock down Winkle and bring him in the unconscious state. Pickwick learns that Sam has found Winkle at Bristol. Mr. Winkle runs into two medical students whom we have come across already. The two medical students are Bob Sawyer and Ben Allen. Bob Sawyer is practicing medicine in Bristol but is not able to earn much. Ben Allen, who did not want his sister to marry anybody else other than Bob Sawyer, is disappointed as she refuses to marry Bob Sawyer. Allen arranges for Arabella with an aunt. Sam tells straightforward to Winkle that he has troubled Pickwick as he is worse than Dodson and Fox. He tells Winkle to get back to Pickwick. Winkle wanted to meet Arabella, hence he convinces Sam to allow him to stay in Bristol to search for Arabella. In this episode, we see Winkle's agony and Sam's courage to call a spade a spade. Dickens introduces the idea of reputation in the next chapter. Mr. Winkle earns a reputation he does not deserve. Mr. Tupman gets a sportsman's reputation when he shot a bird accidentally or by fluke. Mr. Dowler treats Mr. Winkle with utmost respect. Sam is determined to be Pickwick's protector as he has recognized Pickwick's kind-hearted nature. Their relationship goes beyond the servant-master relationship. We can draw a parallel line between Pickwick Papers and Don Quixote. Don Quixote is a famous Spanish novel written in 17th century. Don Quixote is an adventurer like Mr. Pickwick, who is supported by his assistant Sancho Panza. Don Quixote liked stories about knights and fair ladies, adventures and dangerous encounters. He decides he will actually become an adventuring knight himself. Sancho Panza protects his master from getting killed, attacked, or otherwise ruined. Hence we see similarity between Pickwick and Don Quixote and similarity between Sam and Sancho Panza. Next we see Mr. Pickwick at Bristol to stay with Mr. Winkle. Sam finds Mary, the pretty housemaid, accidentally. Mr. Winkle has a private conversation with Arabella in the garden late that night. The meeting of Winkle and Arabella becomes complicated as Mr. Pickwick brings a lantern to the spot. Here Mr. Pickwick acts as chaperone. Now, Pickwick plays a father's role in this episode, and he tries to protect Arabella because she was an unmarried woman. Next we see Sam and Mary's reunion. Sam and Mary's reunion triggers off their love story. Mr. Pickwick proves to be a fatherly figure for Arabella because during those times an unmarried upper class woman was not supposed to be alone with an unmarried man. Mr. Pickwick is a little raw at these things and almost gets them caught. On his return to London, Mr. Pickwick is arrested by a sheriff's officer, Namby, and his assistant. Mr. Pickwick is committed to the Fleet prison until he pays the damages. He refuses to pay the damages, but he does not mind to be in the prison. Mr. Pickwick rents a bed from one of the turnkeys for the night. Mr. Pickwick seems to be unaware of the condition of the prison. He gets a clean picture of the debtor's prison's corrupt nature. He refuses to pay the damages due to the lawyers Dodson and Fogg. He is ready to pay a turnkey, a jail worker, for a bed. From this we understand that Mr. Pickwick is a man of strong convictions and he is ready to face any difficulties for the sake of his strong convictions. Dear students, let me discuss some multiple choice questions. Who is invited to a servant party? Is it Mr. Pickwick or Sam or Mary or none of the above? The answer is it is Sam who is invited to the servant party. We shall go to the next question. Mr. Winkle escapes to a place called Bristol, Bath, London, none of the above. Let us see the answer. The answer is Bristol. Mr. Winkle escapes to Bristol. Who is the brother of Arabella? Or what is the name of Arabella's brother? Is it Sam Weller or Mr. Winkle, Bob Sawyer or Ben Allen? Let's see the answer now. It is Ben Allen. Who gets a sportsman reputation? Is it Sam Weller, Bob Sawyer, Mr. Tupman or Mr. Dowler? Let's see the answer. It is Mr. Tupman. Mr. Pickwick is arrested at London, Bristol, Bath, none of the above. Let me give you the answer. The answer is London. Mr. Pickwick gets arrested at London. Dear students, with this we come to the end of the 27th session. Thank you.